Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If y'all want the details on this bomb hair and how I got this Argente inspired look, keep watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today we're gonna be working with Wiggins hair, and y'all, I love this hair, like, love this hair. But anyway, let's just keep on going. This is what they sent in the box. They sent this huge scarf, and like, y'all, it's so big, like it could be a blanket, honestly, but it's so cute. Like, I was looking at it, I was like, I could wear this as a top. But anyway, let's just keep on going. Let's see what else they put inside this box. Of course, they sent some wig caps. They sent 5 eyelashes, y'all. 5 eyelashes. Like, y'all, they really like spending their coins on y'all. And they sent me this edge brush and this storage bag with their name on it for when I need to store my wigs. Now let's get into what we all came here for. Like, look at this wig straight out the packet. Like, it's not looking ashy, it's not looking crusty. She giving what she's supposed to give. This is the inside of the cap. It came with 3 combs. Y'all know I'm going to clip off those side ones when we get there, so not really needed. But y'all, look at this lace. This is what you looking for when you shopping for lace. Like, you could see my hand so clearly through that lace. Like, that's what we looking for. And Wiggins definitely came through with the HD lace. They wasn't playing no games. But anyway, I'm about to install this wig. I'm not gonna talk too much. And y'all, I was struggling with this wig cap, so don't come for me. I know I was looking stupid. But anyway, I'm not gonna talk too much. I'll come back when it's time to style the hair. And y'all, don't worry, every product that I'm using in this video, I'm going to show the camera before I actually start using it, just so y'all don't have to wait for me to respond to y'all in the comment section. But just like that, I'm going to be showing y'all just like that. And it's just going to be the same type of install from my last videos. If you haven't seen my last videos where I went into detail explaining how to do my installs, make sure y'all go check that out. And y'all, I just want to give y'all a thank you for getting me so close to 1K. Like, y'all, we need 22 more subscribers and we're at 1K. Like, help me reach my goal. Like, we can do it. Like, I know we can, period. But anyway, I'm gonna continue installing this wig and I'll be back when it's time to style it. y'all, we finally made it to the styling portion, and y'all, it's gonna be fast, but it's easy. So as long as you watch, you should be good. You should be good. But our main thing is to get this hair as flat as possible. We do not want no humpy lumpy braids, because that's not cute. Like, I don't care what y'all say, it's not cute. But I just did a middle part because that's the style I'm going for. It's going to be a middle part with 2 braids. And we're just focused on keeping this hair flat and covering up all our tracks. You see what I just showed you? All of my tracks are hidden. We only want scalpy looking lace, and that's on period. So we're going to take our got to be and our wax stick, and we're just going to focus on getting this hair slick as possible. And you know we need our holy grail, our hot comb, to smooth this hair out. I don't care if you're working with straight, body wave, or curly hair, you always gonna need a hot comb to get that hair as flat as possible on top. And y'all, let's just get into this lace. Like, what? And she stuck? Period. So we're just gonna part out our baby hairs. Y'all know when I do my curly hair, I gotta have these extra baby hairs. So to each his own how you do your baby hairs, but just know when I got curly hair, these edges about to be on so whoop whoop whoop. Alright? Alright. So I'm just parting out my baby hairs, and once I have those out the way, we're just gonna move on to the next step. And once I have those baby hairs parted, we're just gonna take our razor comb and we're gonna trim those edges down, because we need baby hairs, not grown woman hairs, okay? So I'm just gonna take my eyebrow razor and I'm gonna comb those down, and then I'm just gonna get my straighteners and we're gonna curl our edges. And y'all, I did curl my edges in a downward motion, but a lot has changed. Not really, but some things have changed, and I don't like to curl down anymore. I just feel like it's more effective to curl upward. So I'm doing that in this video, but now I just curl upwards. To each his own. You can do whatever you want, but that's just what I'm doing. Y'all know I had to tap into my Arrogante baby hairs method to achieve this look. Like, it came out so bomb, and that's because I follow the GOAT, Arrogante. But anyway, when I finish my baby hairs and I let that little simmer and marinate a little bit, we just gonna move on to the braiding portion. And y'all, I soaked that side with that Lotta Body just because I like it slick Rick, y'all. Just remember that for this whole process, slick Rick. And y'all, when I say I did this braid so nicely, it was so cute. But the other side was not looking the same at all. They were not twins. They were not first cousins. They was given third cousin. So what I did was I went ahead and took that braid down, and I just decided to do some flat twists. And those were just as cute. Like y'all saw in the beginning. It was serving. But anyway, once I finished that, I just put in a rubber band in the back of my head, connected those with the rubber band, and I went to spraying the hair. And y'all, I just put water and a little bit of Lotta Body mousse. And y'all, this hair was so easy to work with. It was like so easy to manage, and it was so full and thick all the way down to the ends. Y'all, it's just so nice. Like, y'all know I'm not about to lie to y'all. Like, I don't even work with companies that serve bad hair. Like, we are not collaborating if your hair is trash. And that's on period. And y'all, this hair was so bomb. It's so worth the money, so worth the coins. Like, if you're gonna invest in some good hair, invest in this hair. And also shop with me. So don't only be shopping with them. Shop with me as well. Support a black business, period. But anyway, that's just what I'm gonna do. And yeah, y'all, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, let me know if y'all want me to start talking more through the video to let y'all know what I'm doing, or if y'all just like it where I just say what's important in the video. Y'all just let me know. But like I said, we're on the road to 1K. So tell your mama, tell your sister, tell your daddy, your granddaddy. Just subscribe to my channel. Like, we almost there, y'all. We can do this. We can do this, period. Alright, y'all. I love y'all. Okay, bye.